Hey guys, this is Nick Dean and I'm back at Gastown Supply Co. and I'm here to tell you all about how to put pin locks in, clean your visor, and these pivot kits that no one understands how to get off. I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to YouTube before I show you. I figured it out. So what we do, there's a little pin here, you push in, twist it towards the visor, pull out. Same on this side. Push, pull out, pull. Oh, look at that, hey? Okay, so now, we pull off the visor, look at that, abracadabra, we're good to go. But no, we're not, because we need to clean it, because you can't see shit. So, Muc-Off, get it on Supply Co site, no problem. You're welcome, Supply Co. Look at that. Two sprays on each side, that's what I like to do. Make sure. So I like to have no spray left over on the shields, so you're really good. And there you go, that's cleaning the shield. Next step, this is a pin lock. It goes on the inside of your visor. It has two C-clips. See these C-clips? Those are where your pins go in. This one is the transitional. So you can be like Corey Hart. You can wear your sunglasses at night, but not really. It goes back to clear, so you're kind of out of luck. No problem. This is how we're gonna do it. So this, see this? Well, hold on.
5 minutes later.
Oh, okay, we got it. See this? Pull it apart, just like that. Grab the outside of the lens. Don't get your little squidgy little paws on it, then you're gonna see your fucking fingerprints and that's bullshit. So, see how this goes in? You push against that. Okay. See? So this is clear. It is transitional. So it does go to cool guy sunglasses in the light, and then it goes to party mode at night so you can see what's happening. What do? We clean it. One spray, two spray. That's it. That's it. Don't be afraid to over wipe. Nobody likes a dirty butt. So we go back onto the helmet. You thought I wasn't going to show you. So you put it back in the hole, twist it back towards you. All right? Same thing on this side. Hold on, I'm going to get it to you. Don't worry. This is your pin lock options. So this is the transitional one, which we just put in. This is the pin lock for the fog. So if you are a heavy breather and you get really excited on your motorcycle, you're like, this is the one. This is yellow. Yellow helps get that flat light out. So when you're really having trouble and you're trying to like squint and you can't see the road, this is gonna help you the most. This is dark smoke. This is cool guys. You can put this and it's just a tint underneath your clear. And if you wanna rip it out just before you go back in the night, this is your option. And you thought I couldn't do it. Well, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Pin lock inserted, it's installed, it's ready to go. You're ready to rip, let's fucking go. See you later.